What you're running?
Got a JP63 412-inch CP Audio 600s.
Oh, you look real good back there.
Did a 151.4 at the windshield, 152.8 on the kick. Not too bad.
Oh yeah, it's real good.
It's untested. It was untested. It's my newest build.
That mini Mac's pretty good.
What's that?
That mini Mac's pretty good.
Yeah,
I've been looking at those.
I'm running that one on the 412s in the door.
Yeah,
the voice. And then the 504s I use for the highest 4/8s and 6 tweeters. I'll just play some good old regular music for it. But it sounds good.
Stop. So happy ありがたいな。
And play the whole time, no problem though. Yeah, man. Let me know what you're running in here again, just in case they didn't get to hear it back there.
What's that?
But let me know what you're running in here again.
Subs?
Yeah, subs.
CP Audio 600 on a JP63.
Okay, y'all be sure to check them out. It was good seeing you, brother.
Thank you.
What's the next show you going to?
I'm gonna try to make it to Sundown.
Okay. Hopefully I see you there.
Yeah. I do follow you on YouTube.
Okay. Yeah, I appreciate it.
And the TikTok. So I'm under FMD Frankie.
FMD Frank. Okay, I know when you come in, man. I'm gonna try to tag you in the video.
All right.
And we'll do it again, man.
Appreciate it.
It's good seeing you, man.
Thank you.
Thank you.